Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair TOZO T20 with your laptop or PC on Windows. So the first thing that we need to do is of course open the case with the earbuds, and we need to take out our earbuds. Keep in mind that the earbuds cannot be connected to anything if you want to connect them to your PC or laptop. So make sure to disconnect them from your smartphone or any other similar device if you have done that before. Now, to make sure that we are in the pairing mode, we need to take a look over here. If we can see the flashing white light, then it means that we have the pairing mode. So now what we need to do is of course go to our PC. On your PC, you want to go to the settings, and then in the settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and then we need to go to devices. Over here, we need to click on add device, and then choose Bluetooth, and over here you should be able to find your device. So find TOZO T20, click on it, we will try to connect, and you might see the pin code. However, there is no way to display the pin code on the earbuds, so all you need to do is simply click connect. And there we go, we have connected to our earbuds on our PC or laptop. If you later on want to disconnect, then all you need to do is find TOZO T20 on your audio list, and then click on these three dots, and then you have disconnect and remove device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.